I'm Emily from the teen department at the Pulaski County Public Library, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make DIY mini dry erase frames. The first thing you're going to need are these little frames. I ordered these off of Amazon, but any kind of picture frame, you could go to the Dollar Tree, Walmart, anything like that, any of these would work. I just thought these were really cute, so we ordered them. They actually come in 2 pieces, and you just stick this in there, turn it, and it's got like the little pedestal for it, and it come with a bunch of them. They're fairly inexpensive, so that's where I got those. Then you're going to need some washi tape. You could also, even if you wanted to, use markers. You could use duct tape. It's completely up to you. It's completely customizable. And then I took some cardstock and I just pulled the little inserts out, and I cut me a piece of cardstock the exact same size, and that's what I'm going to use to decorate. And so, like I said, you guys can start this out, do it however you want, but I already finished one. It looks like this, and all I done to achieve that was I just started in the corner of my paper, and I'll just do a few here and just show you, and I just picked colors that I like. Of course, I had to go with the pinks and the oranges and stuff like that, and I just started laying them across the paper, and as I was laying them, I was overlapping the paper a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, and then whenever I was finished, it looked way bigger than the actual paper, but I just went in there and I chopped off all the excess pieces until it looked something like this. So I have my little piece here. So then I'm going to take my 2 inserts and I'm going to put it in between. Get them all lined up, and there's a little slit in the top. Just going to put this in there. Sometimes it's a little bit of a hard fit at first, and then I went ahead and I took a little dry erase marker and I wrote hello on there, but you could go on there. You can write your to-do list, reminders, anything that you want to do, and make it completely customizable. So you just need some dry erase markers. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I hope that you're able to make some at home for yourself, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.